In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view full Spotify listening history. Whether you're trying to remember a track you loved yesterday or you're curious about your recent trends, I'll walk you through what Spotify shows inside the app and how to get a more complete picture if you need it. Start by opening the Spotify app on your device. This works on both desktop and mobile. If you haven't had Spotify open in a while, give it a moment to load your home screen and connect to the internet so it can sync your latest activity. Optionally, play any song for a few seconds. This isn't required, but it can help make sure your recent activity is updated, especially if you've been listening on another device. Just tap or click a track to get it going, then pause it if you like. Next, open your queue. On desktop, look toward the bottom right corner of the player for the queue icon. It looks like a small list. On mobile, open the Now Playing screen and tap the queue icon there. This is where Spotify tracks what's coming up next and, importantly, what you've listened to recently. Inside the queue view, switch to the tab labeled Recently Played or History. The exact wording can vary by platform and app version, but it's always within the queue screen. This tab shows the list of tracks you've recently played in chronological order. Now, review your listening history. You'll see a scrollable list of tracks you've played most recently. Keep in mind that Spotify typically shows only the last batch of songs, roughly up to 50 tracks, though this can vary slightly by device and updates. You can tap any item to revisit the song, album, or artist. This built-in history is meant for quick recall rather than a permanent archive. A few important notes. Spotify does not provide a complete lifetime listening history inside the app. The in-app history is intentionally limited, so don't be surprised if older sessions don't appear there. If you need a broader snapshot, head to your library and open Recently Played. This gives you a wider view across albums, artists, and playlists you've engaged with, which can help you backtrack content even when individual songs no longer show in the queue's history. For the most comprehensive record, you can request your full listening data through Spotify's website. This advanced option delivers a data export that goes far beyond what you'll see in the app and is the best route if you need detailed historical records. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.